Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to fix the issue with Facebook Reels option not showing on your Android. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put likes under the video and write your comments, friends. So let us get started with you. And I recommend that you start by going to your Facebook settings. To do that, swipe down from the top on the right side of your screen. Click on the gear to open up your phone settings. Swipe down and tap the Apps option or App Manager like I have. Next, friends, you will need to open the list of all the apps that you have on your device. Now in the search box type the word Facebook, open it. And next, you will need to click on this bottom right option to force stop the app. And then you'll need to go to the memory cache, clear the cache, and then next to that, click Clear Memory. Confirm. After you clear memory on Facebook, I recommend that you also go to Permissions here and check if all the permissions you have access to Facebook. To do this, you can open them and see if they do. If any of the listed options don't have that access, then give them that access so that all permissions have access to Facebook. After that, try to see if your problem is resolved. If not, then I recommend that you see how updated your Facebook is on your device. To do this, please open the Play Store. Next, click on the search part of that app, and at the top, type in the word Facebook. Open Facebook, and if you have the word update right here, then click on it and wait for this app to update. After the update, I recommend you to reboot your device. And after that, I am sure that the problem of not displaying Reels option on Facebook will be fixed. Because after updating and rebooting your device, all corrupted files, unnecessary files will be deleted, and your Facebook will be more updated and no problem should be there. This is the way you can quickly and easily fix the problem of not displaying Reels option in Facebook. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write your comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you, friends.